My dress is right there. I was all ready. Don't mess it up. Babe, what just happened?
Well, even though we're having a nice time, we got here on the cruise, and I talked to my attendant, and I said, listen, I got a nice new suit, so I said I wanted to get it pressed, because it was in the transition of traveling, it was a little wrinkled. So I said, will it be available for tomorrow for Florida? He said, yeah, no problem, you send it down today, it'll be done way before tomorrow. I said, okay. So I sent it out and got it done, of course. It was supposed to be back by 4 o'clock. So 12 o'clock hit. I'm like, let me call my attendant, check on. I called the attendant. He said, yeah, the attendant will bring it up. They didn't say it wasn't done. They said the attendant will bring it up by 4 o'clock. Boom, 4 o'clock comes, no suit. 4:30, no suit. So I called the attendant again. Of course, he said, let him check into it. So I got frustrated with him and I called customer service. Customer service said, yeah, the attendant said he'll be bringing it up with you. That's 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock. I called back to his housekeeping again, to customer service. They said something, of course, he's on his way. I said, okay. Well, guess what, y'all? We laying in the bed chilling because remember, we don't have no clothes because we're about to go to the That's first thing. No, we just showered, shaved, get everything we do. My wife all dressed, her dress for here, ready. I'm polishing my shoes, all the good stuff. And my man hits the door and just walks in. He walked in, y'all. He just walked in. I go, so now, he's in the room, right? I jump out the bed with my drawers on, and I come to the door, ask him. I'm like, listen, what's up? So he gives me the suit. Granted, I ast my suit here. And then I notice it.
Hold on.
It's 3 pieces. I put a suit jacket and a brand new white shirt that I got pressed. You know when you get the brand new white shirts there, have creases and stuff in them. So of course, I said I get a press when I get there. I said, excuse me, sir. My shirt's not here. He's like, you sure? Your shirt's not here? He's looking on the side of the suit for the shirt. So in other words, they bring the suit back.
Your shirt missing?
The shirt is missing. So this is what I said to him, and I'm just being honest. And I just listen to what I'm saying. Yeah, no. I said to him, listen, we paid for this cruise 2 years in advance on Icon Seas, the largest cruise ship in the world. And we paid for a photo package where we can go to dinner and take pictures the whole 9 yards. I said, listen, we're not taking pictures because we lost that, of course. But this just shows you how Royal Caribbean is. We're going to show you how they take care of it. That's all we're going to say. Watch and say. Regardless, we have a nice time and we're going to make memories about it, and it is what it is.
Heath, they're going to take care of it and give you somebody else's shirt.
Yeah. If he come back there with a small and medium shirt, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put that joker on, too, and break the buttons on, put it on the show. Man, you know this ain't my shirt. Stop playing. My shirt was a Calvin Klein. He better get it right. But anyway, yeah, we thought y'all would enjoy that. Anyway.
The suit's back. Wait. How he was looking for your shirt?
He might as well look in the pockets for all that. He should have said, no, brother, Mike got your shirt. I got your shirt. It's my room. I got it. Bring it back to you.